Transform your outdoor space with this simple DIY paver installation guide. In this video, I will walk you through the key steps to laying pavers, from planning and preparing the base to installing, leveling and finishing the job. Whether it's for patio, walkway or driveway, these high-level tips will help you get a professional looking results. We are in a mission to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. So don't forget to subscribe. 98% of viewers watch but have not subscribed yet. It's free and I only post one helpful video a week. Your support motivates me to create more content like this. Thinking about transforming your outdoor space, laying paver is one of the best ways to create a durable, beautiful and low maintenance patio, walkway or driveway. I will guide you through the steps for installation pavers, from prepping the ground to finishing the touches, so you can get professional looking results on your own. Now let's get started. So there are multiple steps in the process. The first step is to plan and measure. Mark the area and choose your design. Excavate and level. Dig down to proper depth and create a slope for drainage. Add a base layer. Spread and compact gravel or solid foundation. You can use the sand as well. Add sand layer. Spread 1 inch of leveling sand evenly. Then start laying your pavers. Place in your desired pattern, snug and aligned. Cut the edge. Trim pavers and edges and install edge restraints. At the end, you need to fill the joints. You can use polymeric sand. Sweep sand into gaps and mist with water, and that's all. You have a beautiful patio done. With just some planning, effort, and right tools, you can lay pavers that looks great and last for years. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I post practical DIY and outdoor improvement tips every week. Thanks for watching and good luck with your paver project.